Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 25th, 2020, and on today's video, we're going to do a first video on Boeing. It's been our first opportunity to give you all an update on what we're noticing from the trap, who controls the market for Boeing, and we're going to tell you what we're expecting him to do, what he's going to do going on into the future for this particular market. Now, before I get started, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go that you hit the like button, that you share the video and subscribe to the channel, because we're the only location that is going to give you all an expectation of price direction, and as well as giving you all a forecast and prediction as to what we're noticing on the price chart, all without being confused. This is one of the best indications to grab the bag out the market and maintain profitability. So like I told you, this is the first time that we're going to do a video in Boeing. The forecast that you see right now in front of you was from our website, giving our community members there our expectations as to what we're noticing for this particular stock. Now, Boeing, it has been doing too much from that particular time frame. I mean, when we generated this forecast, it was all the way back here on the week of July 27, 2020. Now, we played some weakness. We expected the trap to go a little bit lower into the market for this particular market for Boeing, and it did right here on the week of September 21st, 2020. But look at that. The market in Boeing is still holding consolidational trading. I mean, the market for an insurmountable amount of weeks has just been trading sideways. So what does that mean? What is going on in the market in Boeing? For us to see on countless weeks, the market holding support around $150. So let's go ahead and get rid of this real quick. And that would be of about 8% market movement to the downside that occurred here in Boeing on the 21st of September. Let's get rid of it. You guys can see right here that we expected the market to go, or it was following an ascending trend. The market was moving higher alongside this line, but then it broke. So we're not in an upward trend right now in Boeing, period. So we're expecting more or less the same consolidational trading. We're just looking for the market to go sideways. So don't let anyone else try to convince you otherwise. This market in Boeing has just been trading within a range. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate that, what the market has been doing for Boeing. Right now, you might even see some people say that this market is kind of sort of in a downtrend, but it's really not. Okay, so this area right here is where the market is trying to hold support. Okay, around $155. So this is where we're going to create a support area. Okay, we got a shallow area of restriction in and around about 185 is where the restriction area currently lies in Boeing. But the market is not a buy right now. No, it's not right now. I mean, we have seen countless trading days to where this market is not moving. It is stale. It is stagnated. So we have time before the trap will make his bias direction to move in Boeing. But I would tell you that support is coming into the market around $155. So in or around that particular area, there's an opportunity there. Let's take a look at this market in Boeing on the 3 weeks time frame. So what's been occurring into the market in Boeing has literally been some buying. The trap has been buying the market in Boeing at this area. That's what's going on. Okay, he's in the market buying up Boeing right there around $155 to $160. Okay, now there's still weakness here though. I would say maybe about 30-40% weakness is still present in Boeing. But the market is definitely getting opportunity to come in, and he's buying it up. Okay. The monthly time frame in Boeing, again, you still see here that there's weakness being generated. The market is still showing us weakness. But our focal is around 155. If we see weakness break $155 to the downside, we now know that this market is still not a buy. We are still following this market direction of weakness. Okay, 155 is the cash point. Okay, so what we're going to do in the market for Boeing, for this forecast, we're going to play some strength into the market. Right? Let's go ahead and do that. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to hit a bullet and we're going to shoot to the moon. We don't do none of that FOMO FUD stuff. But literally, from where we're at, we can expect some market strength to trade within this consolidational range. So we're at 167 right now. 178, 180 would be our first area of TP. TP means to take profit. This is where our forecast price prediction takes us. And then we're still trading within this consolidational range, but you can still get 7 3/4% out the market on this trading. So even though we're not seeing the market hit a bullish trend, but we can still play some strength here in Boeing. Okay. So this is our expectations. We definitely would like for you to give us your opinion, your prediction, your forecast in Boeing. Are we going to expect the market to go higher in Boeing? Or are we going to see it continue to trade sideways like it's been doing? Or are we going to break lower, below 155? We want you to tell me. I want you to tell me, what are you noticing into the market for Boeing? And don't make it confusing, because we're not about that life. We don't confuse people on our price chart, neither should you. So give us your expectations as to where Boeing's going to go. Where do you see it headed, and where would you take your profits out the market? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again on the next video.